You need your account information of all your activities on WhatsApp? Of course, you can have it. Let's see how we can do that. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Do you need a zip file of your account information and settings? You can request for your account information by clicking on the three dots still. Get to settings. From settings, click on account. Click on request account information. Request account information here. Click on request report. It takes several days to get the reports. Okay? When you click on this, you will have to be patient. It will take several days to get the report. It will definitely be sent to you. Thanks for watching. For other ways you can get the most out of your WhatsApp, check the description box below. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.